Hi there. I'm going to show you how to find the distance between 2 points using Pythagoras. So our example says that if A is at the coordinate 7, 3 and B is at the coordinate 1, 0, find the length of AB. All right, so when we put two capital letters together, AB, that just means the distance between, it means the line between A and B. So let's start by plotting those coordinates. So A is at 7, 3. So start at the origin, move across 7, up 3, and then put a point. We'll label that A. And B is at 1, 0. So start at the origin, go across 1. Don't go up or down because we're moving 0, and put a point there and label that B. Now let's join those two lines together because that's going to be the line AB. In order to calculate the distance of that line, we can use Pythagoras. But to use Pythagoras, we need to make a right-angled triangle. So let's follow the horizontal line across from point B until we're underneath point A. And let's follow the vertical line, that is the distance moving up from that horizontal line. Now, because we've used those horizontal and vertical lines in the grid, we know that this is a right angle and that we can use Pythagoras' theorem. Now, Pythagoras' theorem says that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. What do those things mean? C represents the hypotenuse, which is the longest side in a right angle triangle. So this line here is C. A and B are the shorter sides in the right angle triangle. So we can label them either way around. This is A and this is B, or this is B and this is A. So I'll call this A, I'll call this B. So let's see what we can substitute in here. C, we don't know. That's what we're trying to find out. So leave that there. A is this distance. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So we're going to replace A with the number 6, keep the squared. We're going to replace B with the distance, 1, 2, 3 squared. Then we're going to simplify these numbers. So 6, we still don't know C squared, keep that there. 6 squared is 36, 3 squared is 9. Now we can add those together. So C squared equals 36 plus 9, which is 45. If you need a calculator, you can do it, but where you can, try and use your mental maths. Now we need to find the length of C. The only way to do this, because we've got C squared equals 45, is to take the square root of both sides. So the length of the diagonal is going to be equal to the square root of 45. Now, when our answer looks like this, we call it surd form. I'll just write that here, surd form. Most of the time you're going to be asked to simplify the answer to 2 decimal places. So put it in your calculator, the square root of 45, and we get 6.708, which is 6.71 to 2 decimal places. All right, and we don't have any units, so we don't need any units on our answer. So that was using Pythagoras. We plotted our points, we drew a line. We made ourselves, using the horizontal and vertical lines, a right angle triangle. Then we could use Pythagoras' theorem. We could substitute in the distances of the sides. We could simplify those numbers. We could add them up. In order to find the length of the line, we take the square root and we make sure that we round. Good luck. Have a few goes with the questions that I've given you.